It's a very interesting interaction to be part of educational processes once you have a practice going on. For me, at least, design it has been a very strong tool for educating. And I think also for the student, it's very interesting to be involved in a conversation with a practitioner in architecture. In my experience, both are part of the same issue. Of course, we have to restore. If we are working with heritage field, for example, I think we need to consolidate what remains, what came to our time, but also to interact with present time, to make it alive, adding new layer of life in the building. I think character is a building condition. So character is not a formal only or special. It is also the way we organize, we orchestrate the material aspect. And that means structure, construction, and materials. We always talk about that as a material system, which is not one of them, but all of them. I would say that the urban is more complex. Of course, there are more constraints in many different senses, but also much more impact. So the responsibility facing that work are bigger. I think that the rural urban has to do with the collective, has to do with the social, has to do with politics, economics, and so on. Structure. This is a very important issue in our practice. We have been very focused on structure because we are very interested on how things come to the earth. The challenge of collective today, I think, is a very interesting issue. Thinking about what is the way we have to live today, which are the places that we can share, which are the places for the individual, for the private. So all the categories that we are used to are somehow under question today. And I think that is a very challenging and interesting conversation. It's maybe a way to face the most dramatic issue we have today in terms of climate change and energy saving and other issues. Also in terms of social interaction in the contemporary world.